That's your job. Anyway, y'all just go ahead. Y'all just gonna try to take my freedom, man. Blind. Just be a lie there, man. You're just blind. Don't worry, man. You're just a lie.
There you go. Yes, ma'am. My location. I'm at Register in Lafayette, ma'am. I got one down. I might have to shoot her. Yeah, good, thanks. Got people down right down there. This looks like the guy that was shooting. I actually saw it. Yeah, he might have dropped the gun back in that alley. 31, be advised, I got an on-view shooting.
We got one down. We got two down. We got 2100, Apple 9, what's the location? Okay, the 09 response to the location for register at East Lafayette.
Hey, Jones, check that alley for me real quick. I believe this is the dude. He looks just like the dude I just saw shoot. Go check that alley for a handgun. This dude, I'm up there handling a landlord-tenant dispute.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, people start shooting. Two dudes down right here. This dude, I believe, is the shooter. He just took his hoodie down. He might have dropped the gun in that alley because that's where he ran.
Are you good?
Go check.
That is an older black Crown Vic, number one female driving unknown location. And we need a medic as well. If they have medic already. Medic 16 in the house, that location, medic 16. Another call for the shooting. There's a known gender shot. Reference, we have two males down. Okay, now are they 10-8 or 10-7? Medic is on the way. Right now you can notify 100 and the other one is holding on, yeah. Alright, well, I'll do the best I can with the plan, huh? 10-3. 10-5, a black Crown Vic, I got one. Okay,
What?
I can't breathe, brother.
Neither can those guys you shot. Shut up. Whoa. We'll see you in a second. Stand up. Cross your ankles.
Shit.
Figure 20. Timestamp this. One of the victims has a firearm in his waistband. I'm removing the firearm, rendering it safe. Timestamp. One of them has a waistband. Gun in the waistband.
So why was you, well, aside from the shot, why was you running, why was you in the alley?
Bro,
And you just happened up here when the shooter come out, right?
Bro, I was walking up the alley, up North Avenue, bro, and I heard some shit. That's why I started running.
Right. We'll find out once I look at my video.
Alright, I'm gonna stay on Eastern Cross, passing with Northeast. I'm sorry, with Northern District.
So far, I need to review my body cam footage because this looks like the guy that was doing the shooting.
Okay, we got it. Alright,
643, ma'am.
got it on already?
Yeah.
One side has been notified. We're on our way out. Alright, 10-4, thanks. All units stand back for a minute. Stand back for a minute. It's gonna be in the number 1 lane, 2 cars ahead of you now.
Yo, did they say departmental?
Departmental?
Yeah.
I don't know. Hey, is this your car?
Yeah.
Put him in the back real quick.
You gonna watch it?
Huh?
You gonna watch it?
I need to review my body cam footage because I'm pretty sure this is the dude.
Okay.
Stand up.
I can't watch my car.
Huh?
I can't watch my car.
You can't wash your car.
I can't watch.
Why? What do you got going on?
I'm over here helping the guy. Get in my bag with the gun.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Man. Watch your head.
I hold it, but I have to go back to Sergeant.
Hey, can you, shit, can you unleash these cuffs? You need this cuff. Shit. Hey, bro, can you unleash them out?
Hey, send Sarge over here real quick.
Alright, gotcha. Yo, do you have like a bag or anything in your car?
No. Well, not that I know of. Get Sarge first. Go. Get Sarge.
They want you to move in.
What other block of Lafayette is that registered? Alright, need a available unit. See if they have the vehicle stop. Go with that, police Albert, St. Paul. And 09 again. What 100 block of Lafayette is that registered?
Hey.
Alright, do I have a available unit to respond to calls located in the
Hey, brother.
What?
You loosen these a little bit, bro. Not these tight, they too tight, bro. I ain't saying you gotta loosen them a lot, but a little bit, bro.
You're going to have to sit tight for a minute. pretty sure this is the shooter.
Okay.
They already got the gun. This all he did was drop his hood when I ran up there because I was talking on a landlord tenant dispute.
Is there a second firearm?
Second, I don't know. I only saw one shooter.
Okay.
This dude.
Then we're missing a firearm because I recovered a revolver.
Oh, that's the gun he was talking about. Because
Yes.
I had him search that alley because that's where he ran through.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Sarge. Could you watch this real quick? I want to review body cam footage to make sure this is the guy.
Okay. I got.
Okay, I got you. I'll be right.
Let me get